Assalamu alaikum, Malik here, and it's a sunny morning today, around 9 a.m. Had to get up slightly early because today we're on a mission, inshallah, and the mission is called Operation Find My Drone. We lost a drone last time we went to Wales, so today we basically want to get a drone back. We're gonna give it a full shot, and let's hope we do. And on the way, we're also gonna go to another place. I'll show you that later on. So, I drone हमारा गुम गया पिछली दफा, तो उसको ढूंढने जा रहे हैं. तो अभी बताएंगे कहाँ पे है. तो अल्लाह खैरियत करे, दुआ करना. मिलते हैं. Fast approaching the drone. I'm getting a pinch down my spine. I hope the drone is mine. Well, let's go. Well, it's Malik here. I come from all the way down there, going up, and I need to go somewhere over there. I need to go somewhere there, having covered all the distance there. So, let's see. Well, it's been a long journey up. Couldn't find my drone, unfortunately, but that's okay. We learn by mistakes, and gotta go all the way down there, and wish me good luck. So probably was almost 1 mile up the mountain, but what could you do? You can't win with nature. And here I come down to the car. The car is somewhere over there, if you can find it. I see it though, but anyway, see you soon downstairs. Well, you know what? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Alhamdulillah, I found the drone. I'm going to show you where it is now. Have a look there. Here it is. Here it is. And how far was it from where we are? Let me show you. We are somewhere over there, down. It's 1 mile up. And I'm gonna actually turn it the other way around, because this is to me, it's no less than a miracle. Look at the landscape around me. And that's where I am. I don't want to make this uncut because I am thrilled. We gotta go somewhere else, but you know, that can wait. This is an expensive drone, but more than that, it is my drone. Thanks to God, alhamdulillah. You know, I'm gonna go down happy, even if we are late for the other end. That does not matter now. I thank to God and all the scenery He's brought me up to enjoy, and I am on top of the world. Well, it might seem a bit odd, but you know, this is how I feel, and I want to express it because it is a moment worth celebrating. Thanks to God, alhamdulillah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. So if I could just show you down and the drone where it was, and I was just gonna head down. Hopelessness, but hopelessness is a sin. And you know what? Keep the hopes alive until the last moment, and always keep them alive. Never let them die. Malik. Okay, let me show you the drone. There's the car there. Came all the way up. there, wandered around, didn't know where to go. The GPS didn't give me much accurate information. I was heading down, having a feel, and having looked at the maps last week, then it's there. But anyway, it's here. 1.5 weeks of weather, no matter what. But here it is. And we can let it dry, put it in rice, so the rice can absorb the moisture, and hopefully it's ready to fly. But anyway, let's pick it up, and here we go. Wow, this is the drone. Let me fold it up and put it in my pocket, and let's get hopping. Here you, Mr. Drone. Here you go in the pocket, and let's go home. Home sweet home, here we come. ड्रोन मिल गया जी, और हम अब जा रहे हैं नीचे. किधर? वो देखें, वो जहाँ पानी नज़र आ रहा है ना, पानी के करीब, वहाँ के. तो अभी सवारी वहाँ खड़ी है, तो ये देख लें. ये तरीका, ये मेरे पास एक लंबा गज़ है ताकि गिरूँ नहीं, अल्लाह करे ना गिरूँ. तो ड्रोन वाला मिल गया है, तो इस मौके पे कुछ गुनगुनाना भी चाहिए. अल्लाह की सरज़मीन है, देखें पहाड़ हैं और ये घना जंगल आगे देखें. ये तो अल्लाह का जिक्र करते हुए चलेंगे नीचे और कहेंगे अल्लाहू 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 मौजूद है तू चार सू, तू है राज़िक और खालिक हमारा, हमारा है तू वाहिद सहारा. हो जाए जब मुझसे खता, करता है तू मेहरबान फिर भी आता. बंदा तेरा खड़ा अकेला इस जंगल में जैसे तालिब, कर देना अपनी रहमत को मुझ पर गालिब. अल्लाह ताला पहुँचाए नीचे मुझे. ये आप देख लें, ये जंगल की खूबसूरती, लेकिन कठिन है. अब मैं जो है ना बस नीचे नीचे जा रहा हूँ. ये गज़ हाथ में रखा हुआ है और बढ़ते जा रहे हैं और चलते हैं अभी. तो पर अभी काफ़ी आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा. तो बहरहाल क्या करें, अब जाना तो जाना है. ड्रोन मेरे पास है इंशाल्लाह. It's over there, somewhere there, and I'm gonna go all the way there. But before that, have a look at this. See the stream of water. Look at that. Look at that. And look at that. Oh, that was not easy, but it was easy with the help of Allah, God. And ladies and gentlemen, today Malik and Malik was in a rush, but I hope you painted me with a soft brush. Anyway, let me show you. I don't want to even get it out. It's too precious, but not precious than humanity and mankind. Let me share it with you. Oh. Well, is it gonna fly or is it gonna cry? Well, the story continues. Anyway, now I should have it back. Gonna dry it up, power it up, and up, and away we go once again. Well, thank you very much. On a kind note, thank you for being with me in this adventure. We went all the way there. I can't even imagine where. But anyway, I'm gonna look in the video and kind of pinpoint myself and put my trail. let's go in the car and let's go home. And let me just cross this place. It's done.
Exhausted to the bone. However, nature was on our side, thanks to God. Time to have a quick power nap. And in the meanwhile, you can subscribe, comment, like, and share. And it's time to get up again. Let's go, because we've got to see some places on the way. Let's keep hanging in there. Anyway, next week, got things coming up for you. तो हफ्ते देखिए हमारे साथ देखिए मिलते रहिए। मैंने